Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya Coaching. Today I am here with one of my students and we are going to show you an example of a simple conversation using very common questions. I can firmly say that this conversation is going to be useful to those who have desire to start speaking English and want to do something vast in their lives. Indeed, it's a perfect start when you meet somebody for the first time and want to speak English. So why delay? Let's start. Hey Chanchal, how are you doing?
I am doing great, sir. Thank you. And what about you?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you. How is everything?
Everything is fine, sir.
How is everyone at your home?
Everyone is fine at my home.
May I know what your full name is?
My name is Chanchal Sahu.
Wow, what a name. And do you also know the meaning of your name Chandrakala?
Yes, I do. The meaning of my name Chanchal is beam of moonlight.
Beam of moonlight. Wow, what a meaning. And your face also looks like a moon. You are so beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, where do you live?
I live at Santoshi Nagar in Raipur.
And where are you basically from?
I am basically from Balrampur, which is in Garyaban district.
Okay. How far is Garyaban from here? I mean your Balrampur from here?
It is around 100 kilometers away from Raipur.
Okay. And are you a college student?
Yes, I am. I am a student of BSc final year.
Okay. In which college do you study?
I study in Dr. Radhabai Naveen Girls College.
And by what do you go to college?
I go to my college by my Activa.
Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing chess.
And have you won any prize in playing chess?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Keep on working hard.
Sure,
What
sir.
is aim of your life?
I want to become the best chess player.
So it's your passion as well.
Yes,
it's
sir.
your aim.
Yes, sir.
Wow. How much time do you devote to your chess?
I devote 3 hours every day.
You devote 3 hours.
Yeah.
Wow. And with whom do you play chess at home?
I play chess with my brother and sometimes I play chess on my mobile.
On your mobile with
Yeah,
computer.
Yeah.
And who wins?
Sometimes computer and sometimes me.
So you enjoy playing chess?
Yes, sir.
Good. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects are science and English.
And why do you like science subject?
I am fond of studying science because I get knowledge about human body and science offers numerous benefits like social advancements and career opportunities.
Wow. And why are you fond of English?
I am fond of speaking English because it's an era of English. English is one of the most widely spoken language and it's also a crucial tool for international communication.
You are right. English has become a trend to speak. Everyone has desire and longing to learn speaking English. It is widely used in every field, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what should we do to learn English?
We should join an institution like Vidya Coaching where Kushal sir provides online and offline both modes of classes. No matter how intelligent or weak you are, you will be taught according to your level.
Yes, right. Here, both the modes are available, online and offline. If you are nearby Raipur, you can come here and join our offline classes. And if you are not nearby us, you are a distant friend of ours, you can join sitting at your own place. It's online. It's very easy. So many students are enjoying speaking English and changing their lives. So, please welcome if you also have desire. Yes, now let me come to some other questions.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you about your family members now. How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family, my parents, my younger brother and me. I have 2 elder sisters and both are married.
And what does your father do?
My father is a tailor of curtains.
Okay. Do you help your father?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Chanchal Sahu.
Okay. And what does she do?
She is a homemaker.
She's a homemaker. And you said your sisters have got married, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
are their names?
Their names are Mrs. Tulsi Sahu and Mrs. Damni Sahu.
Okay. I have taught both of them too.
Yes, sir.
And how about your younger brother?
My younger brother's name is Master Sahu. He is in class 11th. He also likes to play chess.
Okay. So you both enjoy playing chess.
Yes, sir.
Good. Who wins then?
Sometimes I win and sometimes my brother.
Okay. So you enjoy defeating him, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you fight? Do your siblings fight?
Yes, we do.
How is Digesh in his study?
He is also good in studies.
Okay. And which is his favorite subject, do you know?
Yes, his favorite subject is maths.
Mathematics.
Yes.
So he likes solving the sums.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does he also speak English?
Yes, he also speaks English very well.
Okay. So do you speak English with him?
Yes, sir, I do.
Good. Do you help your mama in the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
And what can you cook?
I cook many vegetables and some special and some delicious food like curry, sir. I cook most of time junk food like gupchup.
You know to make gupchup,
Haan.
pani puri. That is also known as water ball.
Yeah.
Okay. At what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
And when do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay, at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
How much time do you devote to your study?
I devote 6 hours to my studies.
You devote 6 hours to your studies?
Yes, sir.
That's why you are very intelligent, Chanchal.
Thank you, sir.
And your name is Chanchal. What does Chanchal mean?
Chanchal means mischievous person who is energetic,
Very
playful,
naughty.
and full of life.
Naughty. Okay. So you enjoy your life.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, we must enjoy each and every moment of our life. You know, we should enjoy and we should let others enjoy. We should utilize each and every moment of our time. Because the time is money. Time is the most precious thing in this world. Right? Chanchal, I am enjoying talking to you today.
Thank you, sir.
Suppose anyone has to be a chess player. So what should he do first? He should start playing chess, I think, and know the basics of chess.
Yes, sir.
Right. And you have not started learning chess from anywhere, right?
No, because my older sister taught me how to play chess.
Your elder sister taught you.
Yeah.
Okay. The basic things were taught by your elder sister.
Yes, sir.
Do you know any chess champion or chess player?
Yes, I do. Mr. Digukesh. Master Digukesh is the youngest chess champion.
Okay. And do you watch his chess matches?
Yes, I do.
And what should I ask you now? Now tell me something about your friends. How many friends do you have?
I have 3 friends in my college. Their names are Yoshipriya, Deepshikha and Jakia.
Yes, you have already told me. Okay. So it was really a very good conversation with you today. And I also had a bunch of fun with you. And finally, what would you like to say to your viewers?
If you want to be fluent in English, you should do practice regularly, improve your pronunciation and vocabulary, and be confident. You should also visit Vidya Coaching because Vidya Coaching is an exact platform to learn English. Mr. Kushal Sahu is the director of Vidya Coaching who designs syllabus and makes action plans for every student. And Kushal has a unique and different way of teaching, and that's why he is my ideal teacher.
Thank you.
And
thank
I
you.
also thank Kushal sir for providing me this opportunity to present myself. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And really, it was an amazing conversation with you. And I also had a bunch of fun. Thank you. So let's say then, thanks for watching us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Everyone.